Hey y'all, it's me, Nappyfro. Oh my goodness, I just realized something. I've never said my YouTube name in any of my videos. Wow. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel to be a part of the Nappyfro family. And if you are a returning subscriber, girl, I see you. What's up? What's happening? Today I'm going to show you how I got this really cute curl look on my natural 4C hair. Yes, I said 4C because your natural hair Nancy's love hair typing. Oh, that's not 4C hair. Oh, you don't have 4C hair. Oh, 4C hair don't have a curl pattern. Y'all need to stop it, period. Like, if I say I have 4C hair and y'all attack me just because I said that, I will come for you. Naivini poo. If you want to know more details about the products and the method I use to achieve this right here, just keep on watching this video. By the way, I already have a similar video to this one, but it's a defined wash and go type of video. If you are interested in that, I will leave a link in my description box, so be sure to check it out. Now let's get right into this video. I started off on clean hair, but it's pretty dry right now because I literally took forever to get ready for this video. So this is how my natural 4C hair looks in its raw state, freshly washed with no products added to it. And I know there are persons who are going to claim this isn't 4C hair, but that's okay. If you want to go ahead and be a natural hair police, then do you, sis, do you. But I think natural hair should not be defined by anything else except the fact that it's natural. Okay? For this style, I used the Hydrothermal Naturals Aloe Twisting Cream as my moisturizer because you know this stuff is very moisturizing. I paired it with my Eco Styler gel. Peep that elastic band in my gel, y'all. And of course, you need your water. So first, I separated my hair into two big sections because I want y'all to see the difference between my hair when it's in its natural state versus when my curls pop with products and everything in it. Alright, so I took a very small portion of hair from this section to work with and I just clipped that one away. And working in small sections really helps defines your curl and it's a lot more manageable. So I'm just adding some water to my hair to get it soft and whatnot. I then followed with my tangle teaser just to get rid of any knots and tangles in my hair. I took this amount of the twisting cream and raked it through my hair. Now you don't want to add too much of the cream, otherwise your hair will flake out. So I did the same thing for the gel. I took this amount and raked it through my hair. I added some more gel throughout the process, but that's pretty much the amount I used. So the technique to get really cute defined curls on type 4C hair is to apply gel or a curl defining product of your choice, then smooth it onto your hair and basically run your fingers through your hair in a raking motion. So that's pretty much what I did. I just raked through my hair about 10, 20, maybe 30 times just to make sure that my strands are fully coated in the gel. And there you have it, instant curls. By the way, this look took me quite some time, y'all. Like, I'm scared to even say how long it took, but it's definitely worth it. And it's kind of a good arm exercise, if you know what I mean. Alright, so I think you guys get the idea of how I achieve my curls, so I'm gonna stop speaking now. But I would really like y'all to just keep on watching this video that I've put together nicely for y'all. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.
process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So it was the next day and I did some big twists the night before to preserve my hairstyle, and when taking down my twist I basically spray each section with water, and that was it. Damn, I'm so beautiful. Ooh. Do y'all see how defined my curls are? Definition, sis. Definition. Let's take a look at the back. What flakes? Show me what flakes. Where? Let's just take a moment to appreciate how cute this hairstyle turned out for me. I am so proud of me, y'all. Look at me feeling myself. Go Arena. Go Arena. I see you. Alright, so we have come to an end of the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Yes. See y'all in my next one. Peace.